All right, welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you all how I created these nails. I was thinking about a melted looking print, but they end up turning out looking like leaves. So in my head I was like, okay, these just gonna be like some jungle theme nails, just kind of getting it mixed in there. And so on one hand there's gonna be 3 green, and then on the other hand there's gonna be 3 white stripes. And so I'm just gonna do those. And here you see me doing the the base color. And so how I again like to do it is I like to lay one color down first from base to tip, and then I will go back in and go from tip to base. And then just to even out the gel polish. So if it's thick on the base, it'll be thick at the tip as well to kind of even it out. Again, the layers for me with gel help to give the nail strength. So it's important to do thin layers, but enough to get them coated and add more strength onto your nail to where they're not bending. A lot of times when I bought press-on nails from the store, after so long, the shape starts to change. And I've learned that with these, the nails that I use and the layers of gel, they do not change shape. The shape will remain the same. So that is a plus when it comes to buying press-on nails from actual nail techs that make press-on nails. And here you will see me again doing I said from tip to base and polishing the nails.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just not going what I want. Just some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches to Chanel.
Now I'm just going to be going in, making swirl lines and different patterns on them, and just making them all look like leaves and look like stems, and just going in, adding more, adding different shapes, adding different little patterns. Trying to, in my head as I was doing it, I was just trying to visualize a vine. Actually in my head, that's what I'm trying to say, like a vine of leaves. And that's what I was doing as I was trying to figure out like where are they placed, just trying to add different things, adding them in between, adding little pieces, adding big shapes, all those type of things that I was trying to do. So as the video continues to play, you will see where I'm just going back and forth and just creating those different shapes and stuff. So I will let you all watch and enjoy the video and the music that is playing.
Don't need much, so fuck my world. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. one night time. I never listened, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Lately, I've been
So here you see that I end up making this big leaf in the middle. And so I wasn't sure where I was going with it. So I just kind of made it in the middle. And then I ended up kind of just going and attaching leaves to like this one big leaf and breaking it off to little branches. Yeah, it was something I came up with. If I could have redid it, I would have. I loved all of the other ones. This one I was kind of like, don't really know, kind of, sort of. It's different, not really feeling it. Could have did something else with the thumb, but other than that, I just went with it. I'm like, nail is art. Just go with what you feel, Germany, and just see it through. Try to figure out how you can get it to look, like you want it to. So that's kind of where I went. I was probably, after I thought about it, I probably could have put a diamond or rhinestone or something in the middle to kind of add a little bit pizzazz to it. And that was to all of them. So to jazz it up a little bit more, I could have threw like some rhinestones on there. But yeah, that's just what I did with that. And then I was like, yeah, so hopefully it worked out as best as I could get it to be fixed. That's why I would say in my videos. Sometimes you can make a mistake and then you're like, okay, how can I fix this and turn it around? So yeah, in that moment I really wasn't thinking about how I could have fixed it, but that's just what I went off of. Afterwards, I thought I could have put a diamond in the middle and that would have set a rhinestone in the middle. That kind of would have probably added a little pizzazz, set it off, and made it like, oh, okay, but. No, that's what they came out, and so yeah, just work with it. Go with it, as I say, and see what you get.
You know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost took my mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out the light. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Cozy.
These are what they turn out to be. Just putting the matte coat and the gloss top coat on. And yeah, I enjoyed trying to play around with it again. I'm just working on my skills and getting them better. And I will see you all in the next one.